me get off the set. You bastard. Alright, here we go. Lights, cameras, here we go. Fire in the vest, act 1. Love it, right? I love it. But just when you're snore, just increase the snore a bit more. Oh, he's gonna increase in the snore now. Watch out for the snore. You ready? Nah, cut it. Cut. We can't. I can't work with it. You must feel. That's it. The snore. Feel it. That's perfect. Now do that again, right? Do that for me when I hold on. Black shoe. Here we go. Father with the snore.
Derry, is that your black shoe?
We are just back from the 4th of July fireworks. You had no drink taken. When you smell the flower, you must give it a reaction. Yeah, exactly like that. Doing it for real this time. Father reaction to the flower. Let's go. That's perfect. Well, that's a wrap. I'd like to thank his pup there. He's still in acting mode. He's a great sleeper. But thank you so much, pup. You've been a great asset to the whole movie.